not a dev. I don't know how to code, but so it's gonna be more like a marketing style, like Gerald just said. So basically, 26 days ago, we started an Instagram account and we started uploading content. And today we have 109. I put this because I made this number yesterday, but now we have 109 followers. Okay, and it's amazing. So I will share you how we did it, and I will give you a little bit about information of context about myself also, for you to understand like who am I and all this stuff. So basically, I'm from Colombia. I came here to Valencia 1 year ago, and I'm a very young founder. I have a team of over 20 people, and my company name is the Meriton Corps. So we have a lot of branches in Meriton Corps. We have a software agency. We create apps for like kind of startups, a startup area. We have entered them into Lanzadera. That's an also amazing journey. But all this project that I'm gonna share you today, it's one of the branch that is called Meritum CZ, Meritum Content Creation branch. So basically, I was in a hackathon like 1 month ago, a MapFre hackathon in the UPB, my school, and we were learning about pension, like this stuff that we're like reaching out when we retired. And I understand that in our age, like young people, we have this lack of knowledge about finances. It's incredibly like we have an enormous lack of knowledge in my generation. So I said like, hey, let's make something. Like I'm really proactive in that way. So we use that interest as I say fear in order to create like kind of a product or something in which we can help the young generations. And we started like researching a lot of ways to solve it, and again to take some profit of it. So we understood that marketing and content creation is like the first way to get to this kind of audience. Like my generation or all young people are dead focused in the phone all the time. So we needed to create some kind of video, and we tried to look for some characters that are relatable to us in order to like go like if it was a bow and an arrow, you know what I mean? Like go exactly to target that audience. So basically, we thought finance, which character our main audience is in Latin America, so where I come from, this guy that is Tio Rico, I don't know if you know him, maybe yes. Well, Tio Rico is like amazingly powerful over there because we have this board table that is like Monopoly. So imagine Monopoly. The Monopoly of Latin America is called Tio Rico. And it's like the same model, Monopoly, but you have the Mickey Mouse characters, and Tio Rico is like the main logo, like the Monopoly guy, this billionaire. Well, it's Tio Rico over there. So basically, we took the dog and we just switch out the colors, kind of some illegal things over there. Disclaimer, by the way, there are some illegal things that I'm gonna show you here, but are actually very profitable. So then we use ChatGPT. I'm gonna show you like all the process for you to understand the creation of the videos. We create the scripts, like the thing that the doc says is created in ChatGPT, like basic ChatGPT. And then we said, all right, we have already the scripts, we already have the character. Now we go to the AI video creator. So we try a lot of different AI tools in order to create these videos. And some of them were nice, but in the process of making, we have some gaps. So we understood that the most important thing was not creating the best video, but being able to create a lot of videos at the same time. I don't know if you get me. When you're speaking about content creation, you need to be dead focused on creating and uploading. You need to be like in this cycle of create, upload. It's crazy. So none of these tools like could fix that gap that we have over there. So basically, we get up into Sora 2. I don't know, maybe you can tell me who have used Sora 2 here. So we came up to this tool and it's amazing. The first problem that we had is that you cannot use it being in normal Spain. You need a VPN. I really recommend you the free one, that is the Urban VPN. I don't know if the guys that you're taking notes over there to get these videos. Urban VPN, its extension is free and it works amazing. You need a VPN because it's now hosted in the United States, so if you are not, or the IP of your computer is not located in States, Sora 2 doesn't work. So the first thing is getting the VPN and then creating a profile with the Gmail in Sora 2. It's pretty easy actually. Then when you already have the video, like you need to create a prompt and everything. I'm gonna show you some of this later. It is basically very easy. In Sora 2, you create a character. So here in edit characters, like you just press over there and there is a paragraph that says like upload a video for you to create a character. So you just take the image of the dog, put it here normally, it will make a normal video, you download it and you upload it again in the same Sora and it creates a character of this dog. The name of the dog, for legal issues you'll understand, is Midnight Dog, but it's actually Theorico recolored. So we already have the character and it's very easy to switch or to share the character in other accounts. Why? Sora 2 has a big problem. I'm gonna share you like all the information for you guys maybe be interested in getting these same numbers or maybe getting into the marketing thing. Sora 2 have a limiting of gens. Because a lot of AIs have this disadvantage that you can just use it a limited number of times. And you have 30 gens that is kind of one click. You can create 3 videos at a time. It's like 5 minutes for it to be done. That's crazy to think, but it goes very fast. I think you can make like 10. With those 30 gens, you can make like 10 of these clicks that give you three videos at a time. So when you already have the link, it will put like the watermark of Sora over there. So you just use Vora. This is pretty illegal. So basically you put the link over there of Sora and it gives you without the watermark and you can just download it. The name is crazy, you know, these guys have a lot of creativity. Vora and Sora, that's amazing. So then another important thing is that Sora, you need to give him kind of the freedom for it to be creative. So if you make an enormous prompt in order to make the character, it will fuck up. Like it will not give you a good video. But if you give him like, for example, this type of videos, like I will give you the name in Instagram for you to share, look for it. Are like kind of vintage style with this dog and then and the finance script. So he's speaking about finance and giving this finance advice. So we try to make the prompt small as you can. Like the prompt for creating these videos are literally 4 lines, very, 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 very small. And then just the script. And with the script, Sora 2 can give creativity and create like awesome stuff. Like the name in Instagram for you to share it is Tios guion bajo. I don't know how you say this in English. Yeah, Ricos. And then you can see like the quality of the videos are actually crazy. So again, these videos are, when you download it, they have some troubles over there. Like they don't give you a perfect video. Like the dog is talking and everything, and at the very end, it may not finish the sentence. So this reason is that we need to use CapCut. When we already have the video downloaded, we put it in CapCut and we organize it for it to be, for the message that the dog is saying makes sense, you know what I mean? And then you have it done. You already have like subtitles over here in CapCut. Like it's kind of taking the Sora creation, that is like the designer part, done, and then you just fix it kind of in CapCut. So we started uploading 8 pieces of content since 26 days ago. My recommendation here will be upload with 1 hour within video. You know, like you put one video, you wait 1 hour, you put one video, you wait 1 hour. That's very cool because if you upload like each 10 minutes, the algorithm will not kind of take that towel and, you know, express it. I really don't know how to express that in English, but you understand. Like you need to leave 1 hour in upload in order for the algorithm to show it to the amount of person that it needs to go. So right now, this was yesterday. We have 196 that yesterday. These are the best videos that we had made. They had a lot of likes, but what I like more rather than the likes is the views. This has over 2 million views, and the rest are like 1.7 and 1.1 million views. That's actually, for me, it's crazy because these videos was like 1 click. I don't know if you can understand the meaning of this. In marketing wise, people work for years in order to get, I don't know, 20K followers. And this was just 1 click. It generated 3 videos, 3 of this, and 1 of them blew up. So I really think that the amount of time that a designer needed to spend onto creating just 1 video of this, it was like 1 day. And now it's just 1 click. And I'm not a dev, I'm not a designer, I'm just an entrepreneur. But this for me, I really have this conscious of, wow, that's actually amazing. So this is also another thing that I wanted to share with you guys. So with the numbers that we have, you should imagine that we have already collaborations. So this is a small band in Mexico City that really liked Tio Rico and saw our videos and said, hey, let's make a collaboration. So we literally created one video with them, and I really want to show you. It's a finance video. I think the noise, it's in Spanish, but you can see the quality is. So this guy is the owner of the band, and he paid us 200 euros just for this video that we make with one click. So with this, I also want to tell you that it's actually pretty easy to make it profitable. So we upload this one like 2 days ago. Right now it have 50,000 views and a lot of likes. And then we have 7 other videos of these types of collaborations that we're working on them in order to be uploaded in the next weeks. What we want to make with this dog, it's create, I don't know, maybe a product or financial product in which our community can use it to help themselves. Yeah, Gerald, actually one of them. So yeah. So to finish this part, I just want to tell you that start today, because it's pretty soon you win. Like for these things, pretty soon you win. You start creating videos and it's pretty easy to create them, and in 1 month or 2 you can get, believe me, if you get the 20% of what we get, you get 20K followers, and that's a lot. And then you can be growing towards the next months. So I really encourage you to create these videos. Are fun, are easy, and it don't take a lot of time, because meanwhile the video is uploading, you can be working on in some other thing. That's what we do. We are creating our own projects, our own applications in Meriton Dev, the other branch, and at the same time we're creating videos. So before ending, I want to show you the newest character. So we get very, I'm an entrepreneur. So we look that we have success in one thing, and we just create the kind of the model, and we package it, and we make it another time. This is the new character. His name is Poncho. For you guys that are from Latin America, will understand that this guy is based from the Bad Bunny, Debí Tirar Más Fotos album, this same frog. So we create our own design. It's not the same, you can see. So another important thing that I didn't tell you is that Sora 2 kind of cut down the creations when it's very assimilated to a real product. For example, in the dog, how it's so much similar to the Tio Rico. Some of the videos, Sora 2 literally cut them. Like it says, this is violating the rules of copyright, and it cuts them. But with the frog, it do not, because it's like a kind of our own creation. So I started yesterday. We have 8 followers right now. You can see in the next weeks, it's gonna be growing a lot. I'm pretty sure this frog is giving like kind of relationship advice because of it's speaking Dominican, so it's kind of, it's amazing. You can share it, Poncho La Rana in Instagram, it's amazing. So thanks my friends, this was my presentation.